Hi, World Cultures. I want to explain how you're going to create your comparison charts using culturegrams. So when you go to the Naperville North Library, you're going to access the research databases. So remember, you go to Naperville North Library, you're going to click on Research Databases, and then you're going to click Databases A to Z. So Naperville North Library, I want to go to the resources page, then I'm going to go to databases A to Z. From there, it's alphabetical order. So the two that you are using for this assignment are CIA World Factbook and Culturegrams. To create the charts, you're going to click on Culturegrams. You're going to click World Edition. Now remember, if you are using this at home, you're going to have to use the username and login, password information. The login is Naperville, and the password is D203. So you're going to click World Edition, and from there, remember, you are to pick 3 countries from 3 different continents. Once you've picked those countries and you've gained all the information and you've added it to your graphic organizer, you're going to create a graph and table using the Graphs and Tables tab. Click that tab, and you want to create a comparison graph. So click Comparison Graph. From there, you want to pick the 3 countries that you've decided to focus on. So let's say I wanted to pick Ethiopia. In order to select more than one country, you're going to have to hold the Control key down. So let's say I did Ethiopia, I did France, and I'm going to pick Guam. Then I'm going to come over here, and according to your worksheet, it's asking you to collect GDP per capita for one of your maps, graphs. So I'm going to click GDP per capita, still holding down the Control key. Then you click Create Comparison Graph. It's now going to create a graph for you. What I'd like you to do is draw this graph on your paper. So you're going to draw the x-axis and the y-axis. You're going to label one graph Ethiopia and provide me with 1,500. Then you're going to look at France, who their GDP average is $40,000. And then over here, you have Guam, which is 28,000. So this is the graph that you're going to recreate on your sheet. If you wanted to create another graph, so the other one is life expectancy. I'm going to go back. I have my 3 countries selected. And now, instead of GDP per capita, I'm going to hold down the Control key, unclick GDP per capita, and now I'm going to look for life expectancy. Life expectancy, and in this case, I'm going to click male and female, so I can include both. Then I'm going to come over here, click Create Comparison Graph. Now I have a chart for life expectancy for males and life expectancy for females for all 3. And I could see here that in France, the average age is 78.7 for life expectancy for a male, while female is 85. So you can use both of these charts. You have to represent both of them in your sheet. So I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please let me know. But recreate these charts on your worksheet for tonight.